Hey, what's going on, Expeditioners? Today we got another cool video for you. We're gonna be installing a brand new windscreen on my buddy Will's Ninja 1000. Now before we get into that video, he's wanting to clean up the bike a little bit, so we're gonna wash it up first. But stay tuned for the install. And yes, we are in the new garage. I don't have all my lighting just right how I'd want it, and it's a little bit overcast today, so bear with me on that. I'll try to throw some brightness up in it. But really looking forward to cranking out some cool videos that we got coming up and in the works in this garage, and trips that we'll be base camping out of here or sending off. So but anyways, stay tuned for the video. Here we go. All right guys, we're temporarily in Will's garage here. We're gonna show y'all the install video over at mine, but we're about to go get this thing on wash. And yeah, we'll show you the, I don't know, super easy, super elusive way to take this thing off. What's going on, Will?
We're just taking off the bolts that are holding the windscreen on. Just 6 bolts, and they're little plastic washers on there.
Yeah, this is like a whole lot easier than the Vstream.
Yeah, it's
so it's 6 bolts in total, and we're looking at, what are these, some hex head here?
Yeah, Allen key, yeah.
Cool.
But they got little plastic washers on them. I mean, it's pretty basic.
Yep. So all you need is that one tool, and you can pretty much swap out your screen. And what year is your bike again, Will?
2015 Ninja 1000.
All right, so he's got the quad tips on him here. So Will, what's kind of your plans, man? Are you wanting to like turn this bike into more of a sport touring bike, or keep it more of a sport bike?
Yeah, I want it to be pretty much a sport touring bike. I mean, I want to just suit it to me. I'm young, so I don't really get achy very easily. I just want it to feel a little bit more comfortable. I have a few mods planned, and this is the first of many, I think.
So not a whole lot of hardware with these. Pretty self-explanatory install. I mean,
yeah, it's pretty.
The level of difficulty
pretty
is
basic.
Very simple. So cool. And just like that, he's got a stunt bike.
Yeah.
This used to be your dad's bike, right?
Yeah, this used to be my dad's bike.
So Will used to be rocking what, the Ninja 650?
Yeah.
Right? So Will and his dad were rocking the Ninja 650 and the 1000, and then whenever Will moved out, he copped the 1000 from his dad. How could you do that, Will?
He wants to get the GS 1200, I think.
Oh, okay.
But he knows the 650 is a little light for me, a little light on power.
Right on. But yeah, we're gonna do a hopefully a full bike breakdown and bike review from Will's opinions and stuff, and give you some of the specs of this bike if the Ninja 1000 is a bike that you're considering, guys. So stay tuned for that video, potentially to come up in the next coming weeks. All right, so Will got him a brand new Vstream, National Cycle brand. This is their Vstream design, so it's a little bit taller than the OEM screen, but mostly got the added width, which you'll see here in a minute on the bike. We're back in the garage now. Will's got the bike all waxed up, and we're unwrapping the new one. So we're gonna throw this National Cycles windscreen on real quick. Sick, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think I got this here.
Cool.
Yeah, it's interesting. These are just, there's a torque spec on them, but it's about 3.5. And so,
I got it.
thank you. Yeah, but the torque spec is so low that, you know, it's not, I don't have a torque wrench that can go that low. Do it kind of just like hand tight, you know, not overly tight.
All right, so with the new windscreen installed in the lowest setting, Will's got this thing at full tilt and there is no issue rubbing or anything, right?
Let's look on the other side. Yeah, no, it's perfectly fine.
Sick, man.
Like it, I'd like to see it.
As long as you like it, man, it's your bike.
Very true.
Cool, we just got the new windscreen on. And like I said, simple install. Don't really need a whole lot of know-how to put this on. And did it come with the Allen wrench?
No.
Okay, so only tools we really need is an Allen wrench for your OEM bolts and hardware, which you're gonna wanna reuse. And I totally forgot that these Ninjas have a, what is it, the automatic up and down. You don't even have to do it if you don't want to. Oh, sick. Nice. Yeah, definitely gonna get some added wind protection with this. Well, I think it looks sick, man.
Yeah, I'm excited. I cannot wait for this. Oh my god. Especially being tall and stuff. I always have problems.
So definitely added wind protection on the highway and stuff and long trips, but then summertime, if this is gonna be your all the time shield or windscreen, you can drop it down to that low setting and it's not too much. So.
Yep.
Sick, man.
Perfect.
I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video here. If you guys liked the video or found it helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more install video or some trips that Will and I are probably gonna start putting in the work soon, go ahead and subscribe. Definitely appreciate that. And always remember to enjoy the ride, guys. Will, thanks for being in the video.
Thank you.
And we'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.